Potted plants won't wilt while you're away on vacation anymore. You can make this kind of drip irrigation system yourself. It'll only take a moment. First, grab a glass. Fill it with water. Then, take a kitchen paper towel. Tear off a few sheets. Roll them tightly into a tube. Place one end of the tube into the glass. This is where it will continuously draw water. Insert the other end into the plant's soil. The paper will absorb moisture and start transferring water from the glass to the pot. This ensures even watering. You can also use pieces of cloth and aluminum foil if you have more plants. Wrap the pieces of cloth in foil. Place all the plants together in one spot and insert the foil-wrapped cloth pieces into the pots. That way, you'll create a simple but effective drip irrigation system. The first drop might take a bit longer to appear, but I promise the result will be brilliant. Your plants will absorb just as much water as they need, and you'll be able to relax while you're away from home.